Good morning, good morning. Yes, it's a brand new day, brand new mercies every day. Yeah, out walking, and exercising. I didn't feel like it this morning, honestly. I don't know how I got out here. I guess it took willpower, a little bit of discipline, I guess, and just knowing that this is something I have to do because I can't be preaching it and not doing it. Yeah. Yes. So my son says not to record when I'm walking because it shakes. Ooh, everything shakes. But I just want to share my weight loss journey and my not necessarily just the weight loss journey, but just in general my health journey. I'm not sick, and that's the point. A lot of people wait until they're sick with all kinds of ailments and medical conditions before they take action. I love the preventative aspect of it. So I have made this a lifestyle. Yeah. Yeah. Just like how if you don't brush your teeth in the mornings, it feels yucky. But that's how I felt this morning when I was trying to decide not to walk. My guilty conscience said, yuck. That's not you, Shara. That's not the way you should go, Shara. Yeah. So I'm out here trying to get my walk on. Yeah. A lot of traffic this morning because it's the day before Christmas. Yeah. And everybody's trying to get in their last minute stuff. Yeah, back to you guys now, letting you know that you should consider every day a different day, and every day different goals and aspirations, or continue the ones that you have. But don't let up and don't be discouraged. We're humans, of course, because I get discouraged too sometimes, but I'm here to encourage you. So make sure you hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification button in this video so that you can take this journey with me in 2020 and beyond. Yes, good morning. Yes, so I just started out actually, and I think I started out a little bit late, but it's better late than never. Yes. Now for 2020, what I'm going to tell you guys is that don't wait until January 1st to decide how you're going to make changes in your life. Do it now. Sit down, and even if you have to write it down, just to give yourself accountability. But if you can't write it down, or you don't want to, make sure at least one person knows that this is what I want to do for 2020. No, this is what I intend to do. Because you have to have an intention. And that's when your vibration lifts and you start to think about it a lot. Once you have an intention and you start thinking about it a lot, it becomes a part of you. It goes down into your spirit, in your subconscious, and you find yourself doing stuff that will get you to your goal. That's how it works, in case you didn't know. Yes. So for 2020 is going to be a very special year for me, I know, because I'm claiming that I am focused, I'm intense. I've already have certain intentions that I'm going to be a boss lady, or if you want to call me a boss bitch, I will take that to 2020. Yes. So don't be discouraged about, because some people will be having a bad year. When I say a bad year, I mean certain experiences that you are not, you don't want then. For 2019, you might have gone through some stuff. Let's just say it that way. And what I would encourage you, not to be discouraged and not to take this into another year. If you have a good friend, for example, and you guys are at wit's ends and can't see eye to eye, just put aside your little egos and don't let January 1st, 2020 catch you, especially if the person means a lot to you. Yeah. And the same is true if you are in a job and you hate the job, and all the year 2019 you've been so unhappy with the job. Don't be discouraged, because let me cross. The road is a little bit scanty today, I guess because the holidays are already here. Yes, don't be discouraged. Just start taking action. Go online and start searching for the kind of job you want, and affirm that that's what you want and that's what you're gonna get. Yeah, be firm with it. And then, as I said, you are going to start having those vibrations. You're going to start thinking about it a lot. But when you think about it, don't think about it in a worrisome way. Think about it in a positive way. Smile about it. Act as if you already are in that job. You know what I mean? Act as if you have already accomplished all the things that you want to accomplish for 2020. Don't just sit around and moan and groan about your current situation. Do something to change it, man. You have the power. You have the control to change. Somebody was saying good morning. You have the control. And the mind is too powerful of a thing to waste. Your mind. And you're the one who controls it. Yeah. Somebody was saying good morning. You're the one who controls it. And your mind has a lot to do with your weight loss journey. You didn't know that? Your mind has a lot to do with that. Because when you don't control your mind, then you start, your conscious mind rather, start thinking about all kinds of negative things. The things that you don't want to happen. And then, you know what? That goes into your subconscious mind. And then that's exactly the things that you don't want. That's exactly what's going to happen to you. So change your mindset. Start thinking positively. Start acting as if the things that you want are already here, man. Yeah, because just as I told you, I am a boss lady. And I'm going to roll up into 2020 like a boss lady. Because I'm already acting the part. Yeah, I'm making boss lady moves. Yeah, creating stuff. Yeah, so that I can get that in my spirit and roll with it into 2020. Yes. So this video is about encouraging you never to give up. I don't care what you set your mind to, you can achieve anything. Because what keeps us back is fear and ignorance. It enslaves us and it doesn't allow us to do things on our own. Because our mind is telling us, oh, you can't do that. That is too much for you to attain. If you say to yourself, I want to be a millionaire, your mind is going to say, please, girl, don't go there. A millionaire, and look where you are at now. Forget that mess. You can be anything. You can be a millionaire. I'm going to be a millionaire. What about that, self? I'm going to be a millionaire. I'm not sure when, but I'm going to act the part. And I'm going to speak it. Yeah. So that I can be accountable to make the kind of moves and the kind of strategies that will get me there. Yeah. I'm a little silly human being, but I like how I am. Yeah. And I think you'll like it too. Just start to think about making changes. I'm going over the hill again. So if you hear a little breathing, a little heavier breathing, that's right. Over the hill. Good for me. Yeah. So start thinking about making changes before 2020 rolls around. You'll be surprised how far you're gonna be when that day comes, and we're only a week away. Actually, but it's never too late for a shower of rain. Never too late Yes, you're never too old, you're never too young, and it's never too late. I'm going to leave you with that because I want to start power walking. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Love you. Peace out. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. And be safe. And remember, think about change. Positive change. Yeah.